Hello. Welcome to our idiom series running on our YouTube channel, The Great Indian Dictionary. Hit subscribe for more, and let's start. Idiom number 1. Crunch the numbers. In English, it means to perform large or complex mathematical calculations on data. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में मतलब होता है डेटा और आंकड़ों का गहराई से हिसाब किताब लगाना. Let's look at an example sentence. We need to crunch the numbers before signing the new vendor contract. Idiom number 2. See eye to eye. In English, it means to agree fully with someone or share the exact same opinion. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में मतलब होता है किसी बात पर पूरी तरह सहमत होना या एक जैसी राय रखना. Let's look at an example sentence. I am glad that the manager and I see eye to eye on the project budget. Idiom number 3. Play devil's advocate. In English, it means to argue against an idea to test its strength or find potential flaws. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में मतलब होता है किसी विचार की कमियां ढूंढने के लिए जानबूझकर उसके खिलाफ बोलना. Let's look at an example sentence. Let me play devil's advocate for a moment. What if the client rejects this design? Idiom number 4. Cut corners. In English, it means to do something in a fast, cheap, or careless way that reduces quality. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में मतलब होता है पैसे या समय बचाने के लिए काम को जल्दबाजी और लापरवाही से करना. Let's look at an example sentence. If we cut corners during the coding phase, the software will have massive bugs. Idiom number 5. Get the ball rolling. In English, it means to initiate an action, project, or process to get it started. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में मतलब होता है किसी काम या बड़े प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत करना. Let's look at an example sentence. We have the client's approval, so let us get the ball rolling on development. Thank you for watching this episode. If you want to master corporate communication, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with your sentence, and hit subscribe to the Great Indian Dictionary on YouTube right now for more daily visual guides.